You practice drawing all the time, but you're just not progressing. But I want you to know that's not a talent problem, that's a teaching problem. You tried copying from pictures and your work still never looks the way you see it in your head. Sound familiar? I'm Marty. I spent over 30 years as a professional artist working in the film and video game industry. I've illustrated children's books for NASA, I've won countless design awards throughout my career, and I have over 6 million subscribers on YouTube. So I built the Sketch Club because I kept seeing the same thing. Talented people going in circles alone, with no real guidance and no one around them who takes it seriously. And that's what I want to fix. Inside the Sketch Club, you get weekly courses and workshops, professional technique, structured for every level, every single week. And you'll get direct one-on-one coaching from me. Not an assistant, not a moderator, and definitely not an AI chatbot. You have me looking at your artwork and guiding you exactly what to do next. We also have monthly creative challenges designed to build your visual memory so you can draw freely, from your head, not from a photo. And our community art gallery where you share your artwork is a space built for growth, not performance. This is for you if you're tired of tutorials that don't stick and books that leave you guessing. This is not for you if you're looking for another passive course you'll start and never finish. And most members tell me they felt the difference just after one single lesson. And here's the deal right now. Start with a free 7-day trial, full access to everything with no commitment. And at the end of the trial, you could choose to lock in at the founder's rate of $19 a month. And that's the price forever as long as you're a member. So if you've been sitting on this, now's the time. Try free for 7 days and cancel anytime. Stay creative and I hope to see you inside.